Hey people, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well and in good health. Okay, so let's dive in. Right now we're looking at CoinMarketCap. So we have the global crypto markets right now sat at 1.75 trillion. It's gone down by 0.96 in the last 24 hours. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So Bitcoin is down slightly over the last 24 hours by 1.14%. Currently sat at 45,742. Ethereum is at 2,597. It's down by 0.33 in the last 24 hours, up slightly in the last hour. And then Solana's gone back below $100 currently. It's currently down by 2.66% in the last 24 hours, slightly down again in the last hour. But that may pick up again going into the day. Then you've got XRP currently at basically down by 1.19% in the last 24 hours as well, but slightly up in the last hour. And then Cardano, 1.37% in the last 24 hours. Obviously, keeps changing. That is the scope of the cryptocurrencies. It changes every second, literally. Cardano is currently priced at 0.5758. AVAX has gone below the $40 mark, currently down by 0.82% in the last 24 hours, sat at $38.35. And then you've got Polkadot as well, which is down by 3.73%, currently sat at $8. And then actually Tron and Polygon Matic are up on the 24-hour markers. And then you've got Shiba Inu, which removed a zero, currently down by 1.06% in the last 24 hours. ICP priced at $12.65, slightly up in the last hour, down by just under 5% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin Cash up by 11.60%, one of the biggest movers there over the last 24 hours, down slightly in the last hour, currently priced at $284. Litecoin just over $74, currently up again on the 24-hour marker by 4.19%. and the hourly marker by just over 1%. So that's great. That is the top 20 cryptos right now. I believe yesterday consumer price index information was released in America. So let's take a look here. So it says CNBC consumer prices rose by 0.3% in December, so last month, the last month of 2023, higher than expected, pushing the annual rate to 3.4%. The expectation was that it would be coming in around about 3.2%. So it says here the consumer price index increased 0.3% and 3.4% from a year ago, basically. So it was forecasted to be hitting 3.2% with an increase of 0.2%. So it did increase more than what was expected. That could be one of the reasons why some of the stock markets were down, and that could have then influenced the crypto markets as well, going into yesterday and today, potentially going into the weekend. So like I said, that could be one of the reasons why it was down. But as you are aware, Bitcoin ETF has been approved, so we're waiting to see how that will have an effect going into the next few weeks and days. We could see a bit of an uptick followed by a drop. So we've seen a drop here. Overall, Bitcoin is obviously up in terms of the highs of the last year and a half, 2 years, which is great. So, going forward, might see a little bit more of an uptick and then a possible consolidation before the halving in April time and Easter, when we might then see more of a rally kicking in. It is an election year. Actually, it's a double election year. We have an election in November time, around about November time, autumn time in the USA, I believe, and then there's another election in the UK. We don't know the exact date, but some individuals have forecasted it to be around about the same time, so sometime in autumn later this year. So it's double elections here in the UK and across the pond in the USA. That could also have an impact on the markets as well. Okay, people, please do like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you think about the global crypto markets right now. Are you looking to invest? Do let us know. Don't forget, it can be a volatile space, which does fluctuate often. So always do your financial due diligence. Please do like, share, subscribe. Likes are for free. And subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.